Welcome back to a continued episode of fried rice with chili chicken. Now we are going to make chili chicken in this video and let's start. The color of the sauce is soya based and it will be spicy with soya color. So we have to remember this. I'll be cutting the chicken breast into small pieces, small chunks. Then I'll cut all these vegetables, that is capsicum, onion, garlic and ginger. The capsicum has to be cut into dices. The tomato has to be cut into cubes and finely chopped. So two variety of cutting for onions. One is chopped, another is dices. And now we'll be taking care of chopping of the ginger, finely chopped ginger. You have to hold one side of the uh, knife and do the cutting. And I'm chopping the garlic. First we have to press it under the knife and then chop it finely. And again fine chopped. Now the green chili in the segment, and this is the chopped vegetable and dices, and this is the chicken. I'll put little salt for the marination, little pepper, and break the egg and nicely mix it so that the salt is everywhere, it doesn't stick to one place. I'll put the refined flour first, then the corn flour. If you put the vice versa, then corn flour will immediately try to become lumpy. Now this is the way. I put the oil in the kadai. I'll put the chicken to fry till golden. You have to turn it the other way. Now you have to turn it properly so that it remains everywhere the same color, or else one place will be white, one place will be darker. So the chicken frying is done. I'm removing it. I've taken another container to boil the red chili. Then after it becoming soft, we'll grind it in a blender. Take little oil in the kadai, put the sauce, the chili paste, then the tomato ketchup. We are making chili sauce basically, and little salt, Kashmiri chili powder, spicy chili powder. Stir it, then put little vinegar, and it is done. Put inside another container and keep aside. Now we'll make a solution of corn flour and water because we are making chili chicken. I taken a kadai, put red chili whole, saute it till golden, then put the chopped onions, ginger, garlic, green chili, capsicum and dice of onion. The chili paste what we made, we have put that. Soya sauce and stir. Little salt for the gravy, final outcome. And I put pepper powder and water. We are going to make semi gravy, not very running gravy kind. Little ajinomoto and little vinegar. Corn flour solution, and it should be little on the thicker side. Now the chicken, the hero of the ingredient, and this is done. We'll put little spring onions, and we'll remove. The rice we prepared in the previous episode, we are eating in the same day basically. It's a two recipes, and this is the way we are doing the plating. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I have given the ingredient list and the recipe procedures at the end of this video. Please see and get the dish right. Enjoy your learning and cooking the chili chicken with among your friends, and please comment after how you made and eat and if they liked it or not. Thank you for watching Jayasree Kadai Katha. Bye for now. Bye bye.